Hey guys, this is going to be a quick one. I was at my local Ace Hardware store this weekend, and I just happened to be walking up and down the aisles as I normally do, and down the Craftsman aisle, or the hand tool aisle, there were some bins on the bottom shelf where it said these ratchet sockets, were on special, $2.99 a piece. Normally I think they're $5 to $6.99, and I started looking through them and I noticed something. These are, hopefully you can see that if it'll focus. These are made in USA sockets. Says it right down there. And also, hopefully it'll focus. It says Craftsman, distributed by Sears, Roebuck and Company, Hoffman Estates, Illinois. So, if you remember, Ace Hardware, when Sears was still in business selling Craftsman, did not sell Craftsman. You can only buy Craftsman at Sears. So I'm thinking these came from back stock from an old Sears warehouse, and they've been sitting around my local Ace Hardware for several years, maybe a decade or so, or more, who knows. But yeah, I went through and found all of the made in USA sockets. Most of them were not, but a lot of these, all of these that you see here are, and these are all they had. And some of them I actually needed, like the 6.3/16. I needed that to fill out one of my sets. The 6 millimeter, and I think there is a 5 millimeter in here. I needed that to fill out my sets. These are the ones that are laser etched. These are from right at the end of the Made in USA socket sets. I also have a lot of these are 12 points. Maybe that's why they didn't sell as well, but you know, if you need a socket, 12 points better than nothing. I also needed a shallow 4-inch quarter-inch drive. Here is a 9/32. So these are all ones I needed. These are ones I'm going to keep and hopefully fill out another set with that I'm putting together. But if you're near an old Ace Hardware, go check out their socket aisle, their individual sockets. They may still have some of these made in USA sockets laying around. So just a tip, please like and subscribe. Until next time, guys, ramble on.